Good afternoon. Good afternoon to all my potheads. Good afternoon to my medicated companions. Trying out a new vape, Stiiizy Vape Black Edition. And this is my flavor to drop in. Indica. I love indicas. Hardcore J, half gram. I'll show you guys what that looks like when I take that out the pack. Right now, we're just gonna open this. Just use my hands. I just got off of work, so. There we go. Black Edition. Check that out. Just for the record, I am a grown up. No to the kids. Hold on, put the phone down for a sec. To open this box, it's pretty good seal they got on here. Excuse me. Ta-da. Here you have it. A little user's manual. Shows you how to drop in the pod. And this is what you have in the box. You have your charger. And you have your actual vape pen. Cartridge goes in here. See those golden prongs down there. Charger goes in this end. That's cool. And then see the pod. Bingo. This is half gram. Hardcore G. One of my Stiiizy, man. That's it. Next vid, I'll taste it and have some comments. Be sure to drop questions in the comments. I will answer before I post the video of, me blasting off or whatever. So there you have it. See you guys on the next vid, man.